Hello, my beautiful friends. I am back at Dollar Tree. So let's jump right into it. Get started. And the first thing I'm seeing are these tablecloths. They're a little bit on the thinner side, but if you just need something quick, or even just to put your food on for the Christmas holidays, that would definitely be a good deal. And look at these little Nomi glasses for $1. They're pretty thick. Santa's crew. These are plastic, and then they have the paper dishes as well as the napkins. So really excited to see what other goodies we find today here at Dollar Tree. So let's just keep walking and see. And I know last week I did show you the all of the gift bags. So they have tons of them here. They have even the giant ones, which are, it's a really good deal for $1.25, because I know these would probably cost you like $20 at a regular store. And it's good just for like big gifts, or even if you just have a whole bunch of little gifts. So I'm excited to see what we find. Oh, and look at these. How cute are those? Oh, these are cute for the outdoors. So if you want to, or even if you want to take the steak off, you can just do that, and just kind of place it in your home, indoors. And as a quick heads up, I may end up hitting a second location just to be sure I can find all the newest stuff at Dollar Tree. So let's keep looking and see what other items we can find. Oh, and check these out. Look at these little candle holders. They have them in red, and also they have these little reindeer ones in gold and in silver. I like this one, green. I know they've had them for a couple of years, but it's always nice just to freshen them up. Oh, and look at these. These are also new. Those little trees painted in gold and in green. And these I haven't seen before. I know they always bring them out every year, but for whatever reason, they have never made it to my area until now. And look, little wax melts. Cute. And I think we've seen these. No, we haven't actually. At least I haven't. The little tea light holder. Look at these. Those in the back says ho ho ho. But I do like these, very high-end looking. Very nice. Really excited about all the goodies we're finding today here at the Dollar Tree. And they still have tons of these cute little trees. A really good deal for $1.25. And check this out, the little Nomis. And then of course they still have the double-sided signs. I like that one. Might get that one. Yeah, look at that. How cute is that for $1.25? And they still have some of the Nomis. I was very lucky to have been able to grab all of the ones before. So, and more down here. I know we've seen those. Very nice. All right, let's see what other goodies we find today. You guys, this is too funny. I literally just came into the store. Shout out to Samantha. I know I just met your mom. I was just grabbing these, about to record it, and she came up behind me. So what are the odds that I came to the store at exactly the same time that you were here? So shout out to you. Thank you again. I know a lot of you are saying you can't find this either. And look, you guys, there's tons of them here. So I think I'm going to throw one into the giveaway, because you're telling me you can't find it, and I can definitely grab a couple. So I'm definitely going to grab it for the giveaway. So stay tuned, because I will be doing a giveaway in this video. The other thing I wanted to show you guys is they have these gorgeous candy cane sticks here. They're pretty big. I would say they're probably like 30 inches, maybe taller. They do have different colors. So for the outdoors, definitely a great deal. So I hope you guys score these. $1.25, you can't go wrong. Oh, and these are also new holiday mugs with the gingerbread man, the snowman. Oh, I like this with the candy cane. You can't even say excuse me. And the weekly wow are these solar lights with the poinsettia, and then they also do have the Christmas like lights. Oh, that looks cute, the little tin. How would you hang it though if it's, well, this is not very well thought out. That's interesting, unless you like leave it up like this during the daytime and then just kind of sit him somehow. I don't know. Yeah. And then just to say more of the same. So let's keep exploring and see if we can find any other exciting items today here at Dollar Tree. And I know somebody had asked me if I'd shown these before, and I have, so I wanted to just show them in case you wanted to see them. And they are 15 by 15, a little square, and they still have tons of the little trees, which I absolutely love. And they do have more of the placemats. See, these are the two styles. Hot cocoa syrup here, very nice. And they also do have more of the little mini pillows. So, haven't seen a lot of new Christmas yet, but I'm sure we'll find some. Alright, so speaking of new Christmas, they do have their glassware. And they have the buffalo pied plates as well. These are cute. And then the smaller ones are actually fully covered. Baking bright for Santa. And they have the little charger plates, I guess, or I don't know, the serving plates. And then the dish towels dashing through the snow. I think we've seen these. And they also do have the towels, merry and bright, and also they do have the red. Okay, I think these are the charger plates, the red ones. Oh, they're pretty nice. They're big too. Huh. And they have the cloth paste plants tapestry. They're called. This one says Joy, Merry Christmas, and Farm Fresh Christmas trees. First, Bruce Pine. How adorable are these? For $1.25, it's definitely a great deal. Oh, and look, you guys, these are definitely new. I believe in Santa paws. This says I wish you a Merry Christmas with the little red wagon. And then they also have the matching oven mitts and also the little towels. These are so adorable. These are really cute. Aww. Definitely a hot new item here at Dollar Tree. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited. Look what I just found. They have the Winter Wish collection for $125. The plates are so gorgeous. I saw them on Instagram. I have to say, in person, they are way nicer. These are the larger plates. And they also do have these smaller ones. They all say Happy Holidays. And of course, the matching bowls and mugs. How stinking cute. So excited, you guys. I'm like debating if I should get some for my kitchen or for my dinner. And then they have these as well, these little red ones. Red for, I guess, water. I'm so excited. If you like this collection, make sure you hit the thumbs up. And I know we have seen these many times, but it's worth sharing again because I know sometimes people miss items or miss walkthroughs, which is totally okay. So I definitely want to show everything to you guys. I know I've shown these a couple of times, and I do like them. I think they would make for great Christmas tags. I think so. Yeah, these are the 3, and these also great for the chimney. Or if you want to customize your stockings, you could probably glue this on. And they still have tons of these. And you guys, I've been seeing these everywhere. And not to say for $1.25, this is definitely a great deal. I'm surprised that they have this many left. Either they probably have been restocking them, which is probably why they have so many right now. So, all right, let's keep looking and see what other goodies we find today. Look at these little stocking holders. We were just talking about stocking holders, or stockings rather. How cute are those? Okay, I think they're all repeats. And yeah, there's tons of them down here as well. And look at these cute little buckets. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. And this one says Jolly, or Joy rather. How cute. Let's see. Starting to look a little spread out, I guess, because now Halloween's over. They have more room, so things are starting to look a little more thinned out. Which means, hopefully that means that there's more stuff coming. Oh, look at this one. I don't think I've seen these. I definitely have seen these though. Yeah, it's a very exciting day here at Dollar Tree, and I know we've seen these, but I definitely want to show these to you again in case you haven't seen them. Yeah, I have a feeling that now things are starting to go quick, so hope you guys find these at your local store. Oh, and check out these little ornaments with the elf feet. How cute are those? All right, let's keep exploring and see what other items we can find today here at Dollar Tree. All right, let's see if there's any new sciences. You know, there's tons of signage coming out, and I don't want to miss anything. I definitely want to make sure I show you guys everything that is coming out. So far, I'm not seeing anything new. I know that there is a whole pet collection, which I showed in a previous walkthrough, so I will link that down below if you guys want to check that one out. There is one that I'm still on the hunt for that's similar to this, but I haven't found it yet, so maybe I'll have some luck today here at this Dollar Tree. All right, let's keep looking. Let's see. I don't see anything new, but I'm sure I'll find more. Oh, look at these. Yeah. Oh, yeah. These are the ones that I've already seen for the giveaway. All right, so I know it's a little early to be looking at candy, but I'm thinking these would be good for the coffee bar. I'm sure these are gonna go quick. I like the little chocolate peppermint flavored candy. Wait, melt away chocolate flavored candy. So it's not chocolate? Interesting. Okay, maybe I'm misreading that. Oh, and they have nerds. I love the little nerds. Let's see. They also have these sour bite trees. And let's see, candy canes, very nice. And oh, the spoons again. These are the peppermint flavored. Nice. All right, let's see what other ones they have. Chocolate, peppermint. Oh, it's chocolate. Okay, I don't know why I misread that. And then they have tons of the cocoa bombs. That is amazing. So, oh, and this one's Cold Stone. What? And these are cute too. The little Christmas chocolates already come in a little kind of a nice little packaging, so you don't really need to wrap it up. Just put a nice little bow around it and call it a day. Oh, I've never seen these before. These are definitely new. How nice is that? Those would be like little pumpkins. Very nice. Are they pears? I don't know. I think they're pumpkins. Oh, look what finally made it to my store. These little glasses. I know a lot of people were going crazy for these earlier. I know these are designer dupes. So yeah, they have them here at Dollar Tree for $1.25. Look at these. If you are a Star Trek fan, they have these here for $1.25. How awesome is that? Yeah, they have 4 kinds. Very cool. For $1.25, you could even get them for your hubby or your boyfriend or yourself, but definitely could actually make for a nice little Christmas gift, you know, as a little stocking stuffer. How great is that for $1.25? Hope you guys find them at your local store. Oh, how exciting to have this Vasta shear sheet slicer to make little, I guess, vegetarian pasta or keto, vegan, and vegetarian friendly. This is cool for $1.25. This could actually make for a nice little gift. Yeah, for somebody who doesn't want to use like regular pasta. Great little gadget for $1.25. Oh, and they have some new toys for the kitties, just in time for Christmas. The little stocking stuffers. And they also have ones for doggies as well. These cute little squeaky toys. Little cow, a little turtle, and a little hot dog. These are so stinking cute. Yeah, perfect for little stocking stuffers. Oh, even hairbrushes. I don't think I've seen these. Huh. Pretty nice. Hello, my beautiful friends. So the giveaway is happening here at the airport. Hope you guys can hear me okay. So yes, I literally had to run from the store over to the airport because tomorrow's video is actually going to be super special, and it's going to require me to get on a plane. So here I am at the airport. So the giveaway is going to be a mystery box. It is going to be items from that I've been showing in my walkthrough. So if you've been paying attention, you know exactly which items they are. So I'm going to make this one really simple because I have to board on the plane any minute now. So the rules are: 1, you must like this video; 2, be subscribed; and 3, comment Dollar Tree Fund, and that will let me know that you are interested in this giveaway. So I will be drawing the winner next Wednesday. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. Have an amazing day, and be sure to tune in tomorrow because tomorrow's video is going to be beyond special, something that I've been in the works for several months now. So really excited about this one. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, have a good evening, and I will see you guys tomorrow.